Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in or sign in to your Bank of America account in easiest way possible. This works on both iPhone and computer. Let's get started. Open the Bank of America app and make sure you are connected with good Wi-Fi and make sure you are connected with good Wi-Fi or mobile data. Once you are tap on login, in the login section you will see a file that says login ID or user ID. Type your Bank of America username here. If you forgot it, click forgot ID or password and follow the step to recover it. After that, type your password in password file. Make sure that no extra space and turn off if you are using a computer. If you forgot your password, click forgot ID password and follow the instruction to reset it. The Bank of America may ask for extra verification to keep your account safe. You might get a security code by text message, email or Bank of America app. Enter the code when promoted to contact. Once your username, password and security code are entered, tap on sign in. You will now be taken to your Bank of America account dashboard where you can see check your balance, view transaction, bill pay, transfer money, and here are some helpful tips. Always use the official app or website to stay safe. Never share your password with anyone. If the app doesn't open, try updating it. If the website doesn't load, check your internet connection. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you next one.